What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying safe, and just being cautious and taking heed to everything that you're supposed to be doing in your area. Um, I'm essential personnel, so I have to go to work at the hospital every day, and I love my job. So, yeah, pray for me and pray that I stay safe, you guys. And I love you. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much. Okay, okay. We have to laugh in the midst of triumph. I mean, in tragedy, you guys. We have to laugh. So much going on. But be safe. Wash your hands. Be sanitized. Be, vigilant in everything you do. And this is the grow box I'm just showing you, you guys. Hi, I have to show you. I love you. I love you. I have to show myself to you. Just showing you. You remember we built the grow box yesterday. And everybody want to use toilet paper for something. So I'm going to show you what I'm using my toilet paper for. Okay, okay. So we have some extra rolls that we already had, you guys. I didn't run out and buy toilet paper. So when you see a couple of rolls of toilet paper in my video, you knew I had that here a long time ago. That's just something that I kind of keep. Try to keep in the house. But anyway, just some cheap old toilet paper, Scott's brand, whatever. I'm going to take it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use my toilet paper for. You guys, shoot, and not making fun of anything that's going on in the world, but you have to get creative. Because what I thought about when you put your grow light inside of this container, it was a little high for my liking. You see that? See the bulb? And this is a tall container. So when I showed you how to make this, some people have a shorter container, which is great. But this is the big green one. So it's taller. So how am I going to lift my plants up higher in here to get, more light, which is what they need at the stage that they are. You see my plants, you guys? This is some more plants coming up. I'm growing stuff every day, all day. Every day, all day. You plant more than enough. You may get some healthy, some not so. We're just growing different things that we can grow. So I'm going to take my toilet paper and stick it down here in the bottom of this container. For those of you who have the same size container that I have, I think this is a Sterilite green container that I poked a big old hole in. And I'm just going to stick 2 4-pack rolls down in the bottom of the container. They fit perfect, y'all. I had no clue, just trying things out. Always try things out in your garden. Then I have some old new circulars that have been in the house that I always keep back here in my garden room just in case I need to sit plants on them. Dirt still gets everywhere, but you know how it is. Okay, okay. So just gonna sit these new circulars down just to give it a base. Like that. Just set that down there like that. And then I'm gonna take my plants. And look, y'all, they don't fall off the edge. They have plenty of space. They've been raised up. They've been lifted higher, closer to the top. I can get multiple containers in here because I had stuff everywhere under different lights, under different things. I had stuff everywhere. So let's just get these plants that need as much light as they can get. I need to water that. We will take care of that. We have to fertilize some of our, well, no, none of these need to be fertilized because they don't have their true leaves. All of these have their first starter leaves, you guys. My tomatoes and peppers. Well, these are mostly tomatoes.